Hey Celestial Crafters, welcome back to your haven of creativity, Celestial Crafts. Today we're ticking into time with something truly mesmerizing. Stunning epoxy resin clocks. Whether you're a seasoned resin artist, a clock enthusiast, or simply seeking unique home decor, this video has something for you. We've scoured the online universe and handpicked 10 epoxy resin clock designs that will leave you wanting more. Disclaimer. Before we get lost in the beauty of time, a quick heads up. Some of the links mentioned in this video are affiliate links. This means if you click and make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel and lets me bring you more awesome content like this. The perfect blend of art and functionality, epoxy resin clocks are not just timekeepers, they're artistic masterpieces that add a touch of elegance and personality to any space. They come in various styles, colors, and sizes, offering something for every taste and budget. So without further ado, let's dive into our top 10 picks. 1. Galactic Getaway. Get lost in the cosmos with this mesmerizing design one-name clock. Swirling nebulas and distant galaxies come alive in crystal clear resin, making it a perfect conversation starter for any room. 2. Ocean Oasis. Find tranquility with this calming, design two-name clock. Featuring layered blues and greens reminiscent of the ocean depths, it brings a touch of serenity to your space. 3. Modern Minimalism. Less is more with this sleek design 3-name clock. Featuring a clean geometric design and high-quality epoxy, it adds a touch of sophistication to any modern home. 4. Rustic Charm. Embrace nature's beauty with this design 4-name clock. Featuring real wood elements embedded in the resin, it brings a touch of earthy charm to your decor. Floral Fantasy. Bloom with creativity with this vibrant design 5-name clock. Delicate flowers preserved in resin create a whimsical and colorful focal point for any room. 6. Industrial Edge. Embrace the raw beauty of industrial design with this design 6-name clock. Exposed gears and metallic accents combined with resin create a unique and eye-catching statement piece. 7. Glowing Grandeur. Light up your life with this mesmerizing design 7-name clock. Featuring LED lights embedded in the resin, it creates a magical ambience in any room. 8. Personalized Touch. Make it your own with this customizable design 8-name clock. Choose your colors, add photos or text, and create a truly unique timepiece that reflects your personality. 9. Budget-friendly beauty. Don't let budget constraints hold you back. This stunning design 9-name clock offers amazing value for money, proving that beautiful design doesn't have to break the bank. 10. Statement piece. Go bold with this show-stopping design 10-name clock. Featuring a large size and a unique design, it becomes the centerpiece of any room, guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. Celestial Crafters. Our top 10 picks for stunning epoxy resin clocks in 2024. Remember, this is just a starting point. The world of epoxy resin is vast, and your creativity has no limits. So explore, experiment, and create your own unique timepiece. Don't forget to check the description below for the links to purchase all these amazing clocks and unleash your inner resin artist. And while you're there, hit that like button and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Until next time, keep crafting and keep shining.